by riding responsibly. You guys have a huge following, you know, wearing the proper gear, maintaining your bikes, syempre, and being disciplined on the road.
Nakaka-amazing. This is it. This is the day. Nag-ipon po ako. At after ko makaipon, mabibili ko na po ang ating dream bike. So ang dream bike po na bata pa lang ako, inaasa-asahan ko na. Tama? So sabay-sabay po kami kukuha ng bike namin. So apat po kami na magpo-purchase ng aming Ducati today. So let's do this. Let's go! Amazing! So excited, but I just can't hide it. You're asking me why Ducati?
Yeah.
Why not? Because in the motorcycle world, sa motorcycle world, Ducati is number one. All over the world, sa buong mundo. So, if you want to be the best, ride the best. And Ducati, for me, bata pa lang ako, dream ko na talaga tong motorcycle na to. Marami na ako naging bike from iba't ibang mga motorcycle, but this is really my dream to have one na Ducati. And kami sa PBA Moto Club, sobrang thankful kami sa Ducati na we can represent Ducati as well. And we will not disappoint kasi sa Ducati kasi yung brand is the best sa buong mundo. So, we will try to be the best sa road. So, lahat ng mga movement namin sa road, i-guide namin ang isa't isa.
First and foremost, bro, we just want to say thank you. This is
Welcome.
an exciting day for us, but more importantly, kay Rigo. First of all, we just want to ask him, what do you expect now that we're part of the Ducati family? What do you expect for us to do?
Siyempre, number one, I'm expecting na mas magiging masaya yung community with the PBA Moto Club. Kasi, pare, watching their vlogs, ang saya eh. Parating ang saya eh. So, the Ducati community will now be more amazing. Di ba? And siyempre, expectation, I expect you guys to, be role models for the community, di ba? By riding responsibly, you guys have a huge following, you know, wearing the proper gear, maintaining your bikes, syempre, and being disciplined on the road. Syempre, being athletes, hindi lang, alam ko mga atleta, hindi lang yung disiplinado sa kinakain, sa katawan, sa training, but everything else you carry that discipline even outside the court. Yes! So, we're expecting na yung discipline na yun is you will be carrying it sa pag-ride din.
Nabanggit mo nga how to maintain our bikes. Do you have any tips for us to be able to take care of our bikes so that it performs so it's best?
So, syempre, yung mga Ducati, ayaw nilang natitenga. Ang mga Ducati, it's made na gamitin. Lalo, yung Multistrada, you guys have Multistradas, Desert X. Pare, yan mga yan, gusto niyan talaga ginagamit sila talagang for their purpose. You want to off-road it, long ride, gusto ng Multistrada and ng Desert X yan. No? And then, of course, yung regular maintenance, 1,000, first 1,000 kilometers and yung next 5,000 kilometers, yung mga regular maintenance na gano'n, no?
Nasundan yung PMS talaga.
Yes, oo. Sundin natin yung PMS, yung mga required from our service, yun, para to have our bikes na to perform at an optimal level.
So you said, kailangan mo gamitin as much as you can.
Yeah,
Paano
yeah.
kunyari, we're out of the country and naka for like 1 month.
Nag-tour kami
So,
kasi.
oo,
Nag-tour
kung
ng
nag-tour
matagal.
kayo, meron naman tayong yung mga home care, no? Pwede siyang i-battery tender. Di ba? If you guys have, kahit yung mga wives, pwede natin silang turuan na mag-start ng motorcycle, di ba?
Bakit after about 1 month, if you don't start it, madidrain yung
Hindi
battery?
hindi naman. Pero kapag, di ba, pag matagal ka talaga nawala, just to be sure na the oils are circulating, the fuel is being used, di ba? Every now and then, turn on lang.
So mga
Basic ano lang.
amazing, if you have bikes, if you're not using your bikes, in order for it to run at its best, kailangan nyo i-start, let the oil go to the bike
Yes.
so that it will last longer. Tama?
Yeah. Oo. So, these are high performance bikes eh. So, gusto talaga ng mga to, nagagamit sila. So, and you guys are top class athletes, high performance bikes. So, it's a match made in heaven. Diba?
Yung sinasabi ko sa'yo lagi, always, you treat your bike as how you treat yourself.
Oo.
So kung ititreat mo yung self mo na premium, isitreat mo yung self mo na to be in best shape, ganun din sa bike.
Well, sa bike, yeah. If you always work out, dapat yung bike mo, nakakapag-workout din. Nakakapag-ride din, di ba?
Makita mo yung muscle mo.
Yan, yan.
Ganyan.
Yan.
Ano, horsepower.
Oo.
Ilang horsepower yan?
Mga tulang tayo. So Rico, mag-question for you kasi buong week, kinukulit mo kami lahat na kunin yung bike kasi yung usapan namin,
Hindi ka mapaghintay.
sabay-sabay.
Akala mo nga, sabay-sabay eh.
First of all, I apologize. And I'm sorry. Kasi hindi I'm a kind of person na hindi ako nakakatulog pag excited ako. And kilala niyo ako. We've been friends for what? Since 2013. Ginebra days natin. Ito, since 2003. So, kilala ko na to 20 years ago na.
Nasal pa, ano mo?
Kilala nila ako pag na-excite ako. And dream ko kasi talaga bro yung Ducati. Since childhood ko. Since nung bata pa ako, napapanood ko na yung mga race. Ducati lagi na nanalo. Yung mga Ducati bikes, top of the line, best in the world. So, pinag-ipunan ko talaga to. After retirement ko, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I promise myself, I will have one Ducati. So, thank you brother Renzo. Ito na, yung dream ko achieved today.
Check!
Are you happy for me? How about you? Of course! Let's go! Ducati! Amazing. Happy loud.
Kumpirmado, walang basa-basa yung magaling eh.
I'm not elected to read, but to lead.
So, eto na nga tayo mga ka-amazing. I'm sure masayang-masaya ang ka-amazing nyo because it's June, it's Father's Day, at may regalo ako sa kanya. Ayun, i-unbox niya ito mamaya. Ito ang dream bike ni Rico at finally na-achieve niya na ang kanyang dream bike. I'm so happy for him. At dahil hindi siya nang bababae, niregaluhan ko siya ng Ducati. Kaya dapat kayong mga asawa, huwag kayong mambabae. Para regaluhan kayo ng mga asawa nyo ng Ducati. Ganon. So, ang laging ang sinasabi ni Rico sa inyo, one bike, one wife. Kaya, yes, one bike lang talaga siya kasi one at a time siya pag bumibili siya. And, ayun, so, eto na nga yung one bike niya. At ako yung one wife niya. Congrats, my love, and happy Father's Day. You deserve it. You deserve all the best and all the amazing things in the world.
So fulfilled na talaga yung pangarap ko dati na magka-Ducati. By hard work and by my wife. Siyempre, special thank you so much.
Special mention.
My love, thank you so much for rewarding me this. Alam ko, kaya ako nagkaroon nito dahil may basbas mo. And alam ko, ni-rewardan mo ako.
Lalaki ka babaero? Lalaki ka ba?
And ni Lord, may basbas.
Yes, and thank you Lord. Siyempre, blessing ni Lord dito sa family natin. And, ito yung ano ko, Jay, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Pag nagpakabait ka sa wife mo, wala kang ginagawang kalokohan. Wala kang ginagawang kalokohan. You cherish your wife, you love your wife.
Hindi naniniwala.
So, ito na yung reward mo. So, happy wife, happy life. Happy wife, happy life, sabi na Rico Nice.
Happy house, happy spouse.
So, I mean,
Happy house, happy spouse.
happy house, happy spouse.
Tayo masaya.
Yes. Buksan
Happy
natin.
Father's Day.
Oh, ready na ba kayo?
Ready?
Bye!
5, 4,
Sarap ng pakiramdam. Yan yung trip mo. Thank you so much. Ducati Manila, Ducati Philippines. For my Ducati Multi-Strada. I-assemble po at i-ride na namin ngayon. Itaray namin. Naka-activate na ba to, bro?
I-activate pa. Pwede naman. Pagka-assemble, diretso activate.
Let's activate. Engine.
Yan nga.
Are you happy for Rico?
No? I'm super happy for Rico kasi talagang dream niya magkaroon ng Ducati. So, checklist na yan, nagawa na. So, kita mo naman, sobrang excited siya. And sa mga ibang members natin, Gako, siyempre, super happy din ako kay Gako. Maganda yung bike ni Gako. Mas pogi pa sa kanya. Peace, Gax. Peace. Thank you, Ducati, Sir Omi, Sir Toti. Thank you so much. Amazing.
This is Sir Omi of Ducati. Pag may kailangan kayo sa Ducati, just call Sir Omi.
Mr. Omi.
Sir Omi, anong cell number mo? Para tawagan ka nila.
0917-307-6309.
Okay. So, pag kailangan nyo ng
Just
Ducati,
one call away.
anytime you want.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
go. Dito sa Ducati Divis.
Ducati Manila.
Okay, Ducati Manila. It's coffee. Ano na kayo? If it's free, we're more free. Oh, excuse me.
Yung na nagdala dyan.
Batis. Ducati yan? Short mo ba Ducati?
Go na.
Ducati.
Hop, hop. Drop it. Hey, you drop it. You buy it.
Are you happy?
Very happy. Amazing Ducati.
Moto, PBA, Moto Club, PBA, Moto, PBA, Moto Club. Find me in the fast lane, pipe on blazing. See us going by and they yelling. Kapag ako'y tumira, pasok lagi ang shoot. Makinang pang aeroplano ang bilis.